All right, so what is this new machine?
This is an Arctic steamer. It removes massive chunks of ice on your roofs, ice dams, by heating water to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, turning it into steam, blasting it through this little gun here that's going to remove the ice dam.
Now, what's currently going on?
Currently, we've never used it, and we're trying to figure out why it's not working properly. I turned on the water, the burner, and it's not turning into steam. For some reason, our burner motor might be out, or an electrode might be wrecked. Maybe it was broken in transport. So we're trying to figure out why it's not turning into steam.
Yeah, no, unfortunate series of events.
Yeah.
Because we're supposed to take this thing out today to remove an ice dam, right?
Correct. We're supposed to be up on Schweitzer right now.
Gotcha.
But we have a technical problem. So we'll get it figured out and get this puppy rolling.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna take a minute. So we're moving along here with what we think went wrong. I called customer support and they said to touch 2 terminals in this little silver box here together, and if the heater kicks on, that's obviously means it works, and it did. I did that. So then he said to clean the check valves in the pump here. So I just pulled the pump apart and I cleaned all 6 check valves, and 2 of them were a bit rusty, so hopefully that fixes our problem, but we're gonna find out.
All right, I am on a side mission to take the Equipter out to a job site, to a roof we're doing today in the middle of, well, close to the end of February. So I'm just gonna take a quick little trip. We're gonna go drop this bad boy off for the boys to use. All right, we are gonna get this thing to them. It's about a 10-minute drive, so just right around the corner. Alright, we dropped it off. Now time to get back to the shop and get the steamer up on Schweitzer. Alright, what'd you figure out?
Well, this pressure switch here seems to be the problem. It's supposed to build pressure and kick the switch on, and it's not. So we're putting in a new one. This is the new one. We're gonna hook it up, put the wires on it, and hope that it turns the burner on.
Finally got it working.
It's good. Blowing hot.
Oh yeah. Nice pour.
Okay, that's good. I'm gonna get this thing put back together and get up on the mountain.
Oh yeah. So it was this little relay here that was actually bad. So, but thankfully they sent us an extra one, as if they planned for it to go bad.
Set us up. Okay.
Hopefully ready to rock and roll now.
Oh, this is a good machine. She'll run just fine.
We have so much faith in her.
We had no issues with this thing from day one. it. Thirsty. It's hot. It's like you're in a steamy, wet
Sauna.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nasty. I gotta shut this thing down. Run antifreeze through the lines, the pump, make sure nothing freezes, and then we'll be good to wrap up.
Our hose got warm and sunk multiple feet through the snow.
Oh,
And there we go. There it is.
Nice. Yeah, if you have ice dams, you know who to call.